Okay, I got my sawtooth on my yellow. Let me see something here. Uh-oh, I don't have any vertical. Uh-oh. What the hell happened now? I had the vertical tube out to hook my scope lead up. Okay. Figure this out. Oh, I knocked my... What the hell is this? Knocked this red lead off of the... I knocked this red lead off the vertical windings. Okay, I'll hook that up real quick here. Jeez. Red and orange are vertical. Okay, let me get this back in here. Plug it in there. Got it hooked up to this thing. This is this TV. Oh, I forgot to turn it on. That's iced tea. So I have the never-ending horizontal issues, which is it won't stabilize. I'm turning the horizontal hold right now as I can make it tear, straighten it out, but it's gonna still do that stuff. So, okay, I have sawtooth. Trying to determine if it looks like something's wrong with it. Obviously, I can change that with the frequency. I'm just looking at the bottom waveform. The other one is, I'm not sure right now what it's hooked up to. But anyways, when I had a 47 picofarads there, I did not get sawtooth. I'm going to shut this off really quick. Disconnect this. I think this is a 0.05. Let me see. I'm not good at reading these things. It says 503K, so I believe it's a 0.05. Back on. I still have this flyback hooked up. gonna change the hell. What's going on here? Okay, I can get this jibber jabber stuff. Okay. I don't know if I can. I think I can touch this. There, look at it. Quieted that up too. Oh. Now we're off the page here. So I get a sawtooth. I'm still not stable. So I think I'm going to quit working with this soon because I'll just make some notes of what I'm doing with it. So right now my yellow probe is hooked up here where the sawtooth is. I'm not sure where the other one is. Let me see if I can figure this out. The other one is on pin 1. Pin 1 of the pin 1, where the heck is it? Pin 1. What can I figure this out? Let me see. Oh, it's this tube. I'm on the wrong. We have base here. What the heck is it? HAV8 pin 1. Can't be pin 1. It's supposed to be pin 2. I soldered tabs on it last night. That's got to be pin 2. Pin 2. It's pin 1. Pin 1. 98765432221. Pin 1. Of the it's the 6GH8. Okay, it's here. It's not the HAV8, or I mean the HAV8, yeah. It's pin 1. Vertical frequency. I soldered little tabs on here, but I can hardly see them. There's a tab right there, and there's a tab right there. And here's my note for what I did. Orange wire temporary connected. Due to low boost voltage, and the white wire has been removed from the boost line till boost voltage can be restored. So if I put this to milliseconds, let me see. I have to sync from it though. So that's what I get. And I'm at what? I think 2 milliseconds. I can't use 2 channels with this scope. It's not hopping back, flip-flopping back and forth. It's giving me a synchronizing issues. But whatever. Let me see. So it looks like it's got a waveform, maybe kind of correct here. Then it looks like it has a kind of a half-ass sine wave there, very weak. Let me see something here. Supposed to look like that. Pin 1, that one right there. So it actually kind of that one. So it kind of looks like it, but it has like a sine wave at the bottom. So what I'm gonna do is get this thing out here and let me unplug the TV. I'm gonna hook this up to orange wire, I think. Hook it up to my orange wire and to ground, and leave it sit there. This is 330 microfarads at 200 volts. It came out of a computer or TV set, I'm not sure. Turn it back on. See if it gives me any better signal. Now I put the cord. So I think this 0.05 is supposed to be 1,000 volts, but I don't have that. So that's 600 volts. But okay, still have the same thing. I'm losing synchronization there. Let me see. Not synchronized. No, it's staying on. Well, it's still flickering. Let me see. So I don't think this is supposed to be here. Power off. Put this on the red. of the capacitor. If you can see it, it's down there. It's a dual section electrolytic. I think I'm okay. I'm at 2 megacycles. So it says I think 60 volts at 30 cycles, 50 volts. But if I change my frequency, I can also pick up the horizontal, I guess. Horizontal frequency, and it looks like I got some shit in there. Let me see. I'm on channel, wait a minute, I'm on channel 1, yeah. I'm triggering from channel 1. Let me stabilize this up. I'm just playing with it here. And I'm not sure if I have a vertical bar down here or not. It's jumping vertically. I never had vertical troubles before. Let me see something here. Where's my vertical? I never changed any of the capacitors in the vertical. I think I did one. Play with the horizontal again. Negative 44. Okay, now I'm going to switch it to channel 2, which is, let me see, channel 2, and synchronize from channel 2. Oh, that didn't do all. Oops. Oops. Wrong way. How am I doing? Okay. I got my scope grounded. What the heck? I had to increase my voltage step there, I guess. Seems a little bright. So that right now is hooked up to the right here, the far side of the 270K from the control grid. I have 2 diodes from the 1970s here. I did get some of these so-called 1N60s. They don't look proper to me. I bought, I think, 20 of them off of eBay. I paid more money for them, but When I tested them on an ohm meter, they did not test even, as close as I'd like them to test. I think they're crappy diodes. So I'm going to replace them here. I got those. Mine are, let me see, the ones I put in are right here. Glass diodes. Get this out of the way. 1970 ones. So I'll pop them out and I want to put a tap on here so I can hook my scope. I put one on the top side of the board, but I'm going to put a tap maybe someplace else so I can hook my scope up to it. So you can see one of them there. These are out of AM or FM radios. These tested more closer to each other than these so-called ones off of eBay. So, and here's all the capacitors I tried. 47 picofarads going up to 820 picofarads. I never got a sawtooth pattern until I went to this 0.05, I believe. Orange drop. So I guess that's it with this. I could probably deal with this for the rest of my life. Well, okay, well, it's October 12th on Beginner's Corner. Shut her down.